Frolio 5, the index typewriter. There is a serial number 65728, and then here the same serial number, 2 spot for the carriage part and then body part. Then it was made in Germany. I guess it was manufactured in 1924 or 1925. Only one thing known is the platen knob. It's not here. I think it was broken. This ladder wheel, it looks like Black & Deckard's ladder wheel. The same function. The 3 character each low, right? Yeah. And then you can move this one and then choose the character and then push down, press. That means this one like this, make print. Hit the platen, okay? And then this red one is a space bar. See? Yeah. Also, in order to move this carriage to the right, we need to push down the red one, space bar, and then like this. So it looks like a carriage release button, okay? And then this for the capital. Without any press key, that means lowercase the alphabet, and then with the yellow push like this, it increased the for the bottom character, that's the capital, and then push this one means increase a little bit more for the this one for the middle character, and then this one is for the bottom character. So that means figure, the number, and then some dollar sign, something like that. Yeah. This is this we can change it with this. If you change it for the Greek ladder wheel, also you can change this one. It's easy for just like this. Okay, like this. So you can change this one. Also, you can change this ladder wheel. This is very important thing. It's like my finger is very dirty because yesterday I fixed 2 typewriter and then hurt a lot. Anyway, this it's like a spring. Hold the ladder wheel, turn exactly the same fit like this. That means we can take off. I try, but be careful. It's if you align like this, all of a sudden this pop up. So be careful, okay? I do use it by 2 hands. See, if align like this, then it comes out. But when you align like that, it pop up all of a sudden. So, and then after that, okay, we can take off this one, okay, this. So we can change this one according to this. Also, you can change the letter plate. And then I put back. And then in order to put this one, there is a rule. This handle move to the right side, all of the light, and then it should be like in the center for the like point to this part, the exactly center like this. That means we can correctly put the ladder wheel into the ladder wheel hole. Okay, and then I put back this. This is the one side bent, so function like hold and spring. Tightly hold this ladder wheel using the mechanism of a spring. Okay, I put back this one. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, I did it using by two hands. I put back this one. So we can choose the ladder depending on the ladder. This ladder will the specific ladder choose the this side and then press down this one. That means we can make a ladder. So for the accuracy, we have like this bottom. So should be this part go into the each the hole. Okay, and move and then like this. Exactly like the same function for the height of the character. There is another looks like this one, but not the vertical. This is other side. It's a horizontal hole. I will show you after remove this one. Okay, and then for the ribbon, we can just ribbon spool. We can just take off this one like this. Okay, so if you lose the ribbon spool, we can make like this one, but make sure it should be hold ribbon spool should be hold tightly into the holder. Okay, because this function like this. Okay, this one. Okay, for the turn like left, you can by hands like this. Okay, so that means this ribbon spool should be tight with the holder, so you can turn like this together. Okay, ribbon size is I guess is a quarter inch. Yeah, it's less than a half inch. It's a very small one. So it looks like the carbon ribbon. Yeah, like the same size. Okay, so this one for the also the change the ribbon direction. We need this one, push this, and then means turn right side. Okay, so for the left side turn, you can push this one to the like this. That means we can turn left. I used the old ribbon, but it was dried. So first I sprayed what is it called, WD-40 onto the ribbon. After that, I used this ink, apply this ink into the ribbon, and then it works perfectly. So that's why I can type like this. See, I'm using the later I will show you again using the another paper. And then there is something here, but nobody explained. I have no manual, but I guess it's like the lock, shift key lock. See, but after push this one and then push this part right side to the left, I think that means see, I press the right to the left, then carries it. I mean the shift key is locked. So after that it's going down, but I'm not sure about this, but I guess it looks like that. And then we can remove the carriage. Let me see. First, this one, it's like margin setup. Press this one. We this part. Let me see, like this. After that, it does not move for. That's the margin. Okay. So after delete or remove this one, we can take up the carriage. I'll show you later. Okay. And then there is a bell. Okay, hold. See, like this. There is a bell. How can I see the function? Yeah. Then I press the space bar. Then you see the bell function. Okay. See, yeah. So there is a trigger for the movement. This one. So this tight hold, but the other way, so like move freely. So that's why we can move to the right side without broken anything. But for the move to the left side, it means it's tight. So we can trigger the bell, raise up and down. Okay, this is the bell. Let's see I try to remove this platen from the body. Okay, first we need to turn. Its serial number is 65728, and then we can see the body here is exactly the same one. Then first turn off this one, and then we can like this, and then press the space key for release, then go like this. See, then we can take off this one from the main body. I think there is a small the ball inside, but right now nothing. I guess it should be here, small ball, 3 of them, but still it works. But I'm not sure it's originally like this, or maybe there is a small ball like for the function like a bearing, right? Okay, and then we can take off this one also, but I just hold it tight because I wanna take a whole this machine from the base. Okay, next remove here, and then in order to move this one or to look at inside, we can screw this one, same like this side. After that, we can take off the whole motion from the base, and then we can look at the inside. Okay, so I took 2 of them. Also, I can show you this. It's like how can I say? It looks like a escape. See, movement. Then down means we can move the carriage left or right. So right now I press the space key. So release the key. That means up and move to the left. That means space. Okay, like this. This is a function. How carriage move to from the right to left. Okay, so that's why in order to move carriage left to right, you need to hold the space bar like this. Then we can move freely. Okay, Let's see the whole body. I took the, see, maybe I need to use the two hands. Okay, wait a minute. Yeah, I took the machine off. See, that's the inside. So from here, okay, okay. It's very simple. The originally this company made the toy, and then they tried to do business for the typewriter. 1920 they start, and then the last product is 1927. So it's not long, just 7 years. They did business for the typewriter. After that, they are focused on the making toy again until 1960. And when I search the website, I learn from the website. So it's very simple, right? Yeah, the base. I have no the top case, metal case, but still is okay. I wanna put back. And then I want to see the type, some sample type. In order to put paper into the here, I can use this paper release button like this, and then I can put back there. I use the two hands, okay? All right, I put the paper. So to the type, for example, with the capital, we can go here and then push the yellow button, and then we need to press down like this. That means the capital T, okay? And then H, move H, and then press E, okay, like this. That means the. And then for space, the red button, and then quick, and then Q, U, okay, I, C, K, like this. That means the quick, okay. And then for the number, we need this button, and then the 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see 1, 2, 3, 4. I use just one hand, but still I can type what kind of word you want to amend, and then space, and then capital A, and then space, and then man, M, okay, you want a capital, then yellow, and then push down, A, like this, then N, like this. Yeah, even though you use one hand still, yeah, see the amen. I sprayed this one, it's apply. So sometimes it's too dark because too much. Sometimes it's like a little bit not dark. That means I didn't apply correctly. But still, so I can change the ribbon, then maybe better result. I can get a better result, but still it's okay. See? Yeah. Frolio 5. I searched the website on the typewriter database. There are 3 pictures of the Frolio product. Number 3, number 5, number 7. Oh, one more, and then MW, Frolio MW, 3 of them and 4 of them. But This one is like accepted this knob. It's like a perfect condition, very good condition. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.